Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to use Macro to post a story on Instagram using Routine Plus. So with the Routine Plus, you can create your own macros. So for example, you can automate the entire process of posting an Instagram story, opening apps, setting brightness, enabling Wi-Fi, and preparing the camera, all with a single action. So this makes your phone feel truly smart and automated. So say for example, you always post something 7 o'clock in the morning to Instagram story. So of course, if you post regularly on Instagram, you're more engaging and you'll get more followers. So let me show you how you can automate this task on your Samsung Galaxy device. So the first thing is you need to make sure you have your media ready. So say for example, a picture or something which you want to post. So to do this, you want to first go ahead and open up the GoodLock app. Now in the GoodLock app, you want to go ahead and scroll down and find Routine Plus. Now here you want to go ahead and tap on Run a Touch macro. So you can start a routine to trigger a series of touch actions. Now here we'll go ahead and leave if statement. We'll go ahead and configure the then statement. So tap on then, and here we'll go ahead and tap on add. We'll go ahead and select Instagram. Now here you want to go ahead and tap on record. So now you want to go ahead and tap on the plus sign to post a story. Now you need to remember any new pictures that you take will always appear right here. So go ahead and select this image. Now here you can go ahead and add text or any stickers, but if you just want to leave like this, you can go ahead and tap on your story and then go ahead and tap on stop. So now that has been added to your story. We'll tap on save, give it a name, Insta story. We'll save it. And now a new one has been created. So that's done. Now we'll go ahead and create a modes and routine. So we want to go ahead and run that macro at a certain time. So open up modes and routine, tap on routine, go ahead and tap on the plus sign. So here, let's go ahead and put the if and then statement. So first, at a specific time. So let's just say sunrise every day, press done. You want to go ahead and search for macro, touch macro, and here we'll go and choose Insta story. Done. Now press save, done. Now we can go ahead and wait until sunrise. So the next day sunrise, what will happen is this routine will run. This routine will basically run a macro. As an example, I'll just show you how it works. So for now, I'll go ahead and change this time to a time now. So it's 14:59. Let's go ahead and do that. And as you can see, it's already 14:59, so it's running the macro for me. And there you go. It has posted the story for me. So this saves time on repetitive tasks. This is ideal for content creators and influencers. It reduces manual steps and effort, and it makes your phone feel futuristic. So this is perfect for social media automation. So there you go, guys. That's how to use Macro to post the Instagram story using Routine Plus.